guys! Welcome to Teal Cooking. I'm so excited today because I'm going to show you something simple and different. Apple pie wonton. Who would imagine apple pie with wonton wrappers? Trust me, it is so amazing. I can't wait to show you. It's so simple, quick, delicious, and as always, our recipe is allergen conscious, including this one. Isn't that awesome? So I can't wait to show you, and let's get started. So I can't wait for you to really try this recipe. Because it's so simple, it's light, it's crispy. The apple cinnamon filling flavor really enhanced by the honey. And then you have the crispiness from the wonton. It's so good. These really make a perfect after dinner dessert for your family. Whether they have food allergy or not, I can guarantee you no one will ever know. This also really make a great dessert for any party. So for more amazing allergen conscious recipe, keep following me and I'll see you guys next time.